Today, I'll show you with a macro lens visually how deep I penetrate the skin while tattooing and the mistakes one should avoid. Additionally, I'll demonstrate in which layer of the skin the ink should be placed and what to watch out for with different skin types. If you don't go deep enough, the color will only reach the top layer of the skin, the epidermis. Conversely, if you go too deep, the color reaches the lowest layer of the skin, the subcutis, leading to a blowout. The needles should penetrate the top layer of the skin and then push the ink into the so-called dermis. Enough theory, let's get to practice. For the lines, I use a 7-round liner needle. If you are just starting out, you can also use less volt, but here I take 8 volt and a 4.2 millimeter stroke. I let the needle stick out about 4 millimeter from the cartridge. You can find my tattoo machine and the needles I currently use in the video description, and with the discount code fanitattoo, you get 10% off. The most important thing, in my opinion, is to properly stretch the skin. With my free hand, I create a slight stretch, then I place the hand I work with on the thumb of the free hand. And when I actually pull the line, I support the thumb here to get stability. To make the hand glide over the skin, I apply some Vaseline beforehand. Just try it, you will see it makes a big difference. Finding the right depth is very difficult for many of you. Many are afraid to go too deep or not deep enough. Here, I have to say clearly, it is better to go too shallow and retouch the tattoo later than to go too deep. That is a very simple rule you should keep in mind. In case you wonder why I am tattooing here without color, this is a great exercise for beginners to find the right depth. I simply made 3 stencil lines on my brother's thigh, dipped the needle in shading solution, and you can practice really well. My brother goes through a lot with me, so I can make these tutorials for you, so he will get a beer for every 500 likes under this video. So if you want to thank my brother, like the video. Depending on the body area, I vary the penetration depth between 0.5 and 1 millimeter, which corresponds to approximately 0.02 to 0.04 inches. Since the skin thickness varies in different parts of the body, a simple rule of thumb applies. Thinner skin areas require a shallower penetration depth, while thicker skin areas require a deeper penetration depth. Here I show you what happens when you do not stretch the skin properly. Although I have enough color in the cartridge and the right depth, the line looks like this in the end. I tattooed this line without stretching the skin, and this line with stretching, using the same depth and same speed. It's incredible what stretching the skin does. With these small back and forth movements, I search for the right depth, approximately 0.5 millimeter. Because I rest my thumb on the other hand, I can hold the depth perfectly and pull the line flawlessly. This is how the line looks then. Absolutely solid, not too deep, simply perfect. Because you can't watch it enough, here's another line for you, and of course for my brother. If you liked the video, I would appreciate a free subscription. And if you want to learn how to tattoo a realistic portrait, watch this video here.